Hey teachers, let's talk about how AI can help you create classroom content in just minutes. You know it better than anyone. Time is the one resource you just can't get more of.
But what if a tool could actually give you some of that precious time back? Well, say hello to NotebookLM. Think of it as your new AI teaching assistant.
And getting started is super simple. Let's walk through how to create your first resource.
Okay, first, just go to the website, create a new notebook, and then connect your sources.
You can upload files, drop in links, or even just paste text right from your curriculum.
Once your sources are in, the studio is ready to go. This is where the magic happens.
You've got a ton of formats to choose from. Quizzes, study guides, you name it. So for this example, let's try making an infographic. We'll just select it to start.
Now, you could just hit generate, but the real power here is in the customization.
You can change the language, the style, and best of all, tell the AI what to focus on.
This is where you give it specific instructions to tailor content for your students' exact needs.
Once you've written your prompt, you just click generate and let it do its thing. And just like that, you get a high-quality resource perfectly tailored for your class.
Ready to share it? That part's just as easy.
You can post it directly to Google Classroom or just share a simple link with your students.
See, it's all about AI-supported learning. It's a partner, not a replacement. You're in control.
So now that you've got the basics down, the only question is, what are you going to create first?